Welcome to this short tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll help you understand how to complete the ethics self-assessment table for your proposal to the networking support scheme. Let's review the different sections together. The ethics self-assessment table is based on the Horizon Europe template. It has been adapted to the call text, considering that the networking support scheme funds the organization of networking events. The red rows are considered not applicable to your proposal, as no activities related to these ethical issues will be carried out during the networking event, so you do not need to complete them. Green rows may or may not be applicable to your proposal. Let's have a look. These sections are pre-filled because human participants will be invited to the event, and their personal data will be processed for organizational and event dissemination purposes. The sections on third country, artificial intelligence, and the one where you can include any other ethics issue that should be taken into consideration may or may not be applicable. For each applicable section, you need to complete the blank lines, indicating the relevant section or subsection of your application, where this information can be found. For the section on humans, if any minor participants are invited to attend the event, please indicate this by selecting Yes and add the reference. For the section on personal data, if sensitive data such as health and/or genetic data will be processed during the event, thus collected, recorded, analyzed, and disclosed, please include the relevant information. If you are collecting other monitoring data, or doing profiling or making secondary use of pre-existing datasets or sources, you must also answer yes to these questions, and include the references. Any transfer of personal data involving non-European countries must be indicated, including the data type and countries involved. For example, inviting non-EU participants to an EU event means importing data into the EU. Fill in the third countries section only if activities are partially or wholly carried out in non-EU countries, or involve non-EU participants or resources. For example, if the meeting is held outside Europe, specify the country and note any ethical concerns or risks. If your activity involves AI systems, select Yes, and complete Section 8. Indicate in the table if the system could stigmatize, discriminate, influence or replace human decisions, impact society or the environment, or raise other ethical concerns. Finally, if you have any other ethical issues that we should consider, please complete Section 9. If you reply yes to one or more questions, please remember to include the reference to the sections where all this information is written in your application. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck with your proposal.